Today we're showing off the rather attractive pit bike track, enduro pit bike enduro track. I'm not. Do you hear anything?
Think so. It should be take the helmet off.
Oh, audio improvements. So, where should we start?
Should we just start from the beginning?
Yep.
Inte göra det.
So here, start here. You go right in here. As you see in the video, I never really did a proper tour of this place. I did some more videos, but it's been rebuilt since we did.
So this place
no
was
one really watched it.
no, but
so,
this place was like I had mountain bike trails
yes,
all over the place.
yep, and now
Then it became some pit bike trails and some stuff.
Tabletop, sort of.
It's not a huge thing. It's maybe from the ground up 1.5 foot tall, maybe.
And then you get out here again, and now when I throw this, I nearly missed it. Okay, but then we go up here.
So this part was made today.
Yes, we made this on like a half an hour. Up here, up the hill, you can go both ways. Here I want to put more rocks so I can go over it without scraping the engine. Here you can go down here, or you can go up it here. And come out here and straight over here. Maybe you could jump.
Yeah, you could just put some gravel or something and just jump there.
Here it's super muddy, but I got a jump here. Pit bike jump.
You can barely see on camera.
The best jump so far, I guess. We could.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head.